Hola everyone! And so today we are 200 kilometers from Toronto in a forest by the beautiful lake, and today we're going to swim, to make a fire, play guitar, play a flute. It's nice outside, look. So here is gonna be the fire, and I took my firewood, but I see the lots of wood here. So also storm here and broke lots of trees. So here we are. Okay, so at first let's start not from the fire, but from the little walk here. So, wow, so much water. That's so nice. And yeah, water is not so cold actually. And cranberries, I see some cranberries. So we're gonna have some cranberries too today. See that red thing? Red berries. Little red berries. Right here. Yeah, so this is cranberries. Look. And they are really yummy. Natural, organic. The water is not so bad actually, as I expected. Nice. So yeah, I'm going to swim today. I usually can go through here, so going straight and after going to the rocks, that one, but now that's, you see, it's all water, lots of water. So we'll take another way through the forest, through the woods. Okay, let's go to this place. Let's explore a little bit by barefoot. Okay. We'll see what is waiting for us there. Maybe we'll find some mushrooms. I know that people already started to look for mushrooms. Okay. See lots of broken trees. So, as I said, it was a snowstorm, a squall, ice storm, but smells good. Going through the woods, through the forest. Moment. The nature. Again, birds are saying hi to me. Hi birds. Some firewood. I took a firewood, but I see I could. Fortunately, I took it from the job, some kind of, and it was free, and I didn't buy it. But anyway, oh wow, that's not so nice here too, as you can see. Beautiful, beautiful. Look. Calm, beautiful and nice. I might come here like a little after. It is so good to walk barefoot in this forest, in this nature, and it's quite nice, warm. Okay, looking for my way back here. Okay. Oops. And in the fall it's gonna be lots of mushrooms here, lots. Edible mushrooms. Yeah. Okay, so this is how I recharge myself after the city, after work. So there is nothing better than to be at nature. Nothing better. The sun is going to that side, and I want to go to that side too, because it's going to be a shade here. And at first I want to swim. Well, before to make a fire I decided to go to swim, because the sun is going to that side and it's going to be in the shade here, so I decided to make a fire on the sunny side, sunny warm side. So let's make it swimming. The water is still a little bit chilly, but anyway. And yeah, this is my first swimming. I skipped this winter, last winter. So this is my first swimming since last end of October or beginning of November. So it's been a while, and it's gonna be a short one. So again, when you start to do cold exposure, again, I'm kind of encourage you to do cold exposure, cold shower in the morning, because it really helps to boost your immunity, to clear your mind. So really helpful for your body and mind. So do cold shower in the morning, do breathing exercises, and do swimming if it's possible, or when it's possible. So it's going to be a short one, and yeah. And after we'll go to the other side where we just were, and we'll make fire, play guitar, flute, and just enjoy this beautiful day. Okay, let's go. Okay, good for now. Just a little bit again, just little bit. Second time, that's a little bit easier, not so cold anymore. So, but still. Okay. Chilly, chilly, li. Amazing, feels amazing. And enough. Cranberries. Not many, but still enough. And yummy. Very yummy. Thank you, nature, for this beautiful gift. Okay, so I moved to another spot, and to the sunny side, because of that side was already in the shade. Some crazy idea came to my head, so do not try to repeat it at home. Again, do not try to repeat it at home. It can be a little bit dangerous. Wow, I haven't done it for a while, so we'll see. Yeah, it is kind of a little scary. Anyway. Now it's time for a ride. As you can see, but it's still like, it's still hot. It is still hot. So, but has to be balanced between left and right. So kind of, since I did it by left foot, now it's time for a right one. And it's a little bit hard, yeah, mentally. Okay, haven't done it for a while, so like so many stuff, cold exposure, haven't done for a while, and this one in one day, beautiful, refreshing, beautiful. Okay, let's do it. Enough talking. Beautiful, nice. Wow, it feels great. And you see, it's still red. It's not like just was hot fire here a couple minutes ago. Still red, wow. Prepare myself for a real... Ouch. Yeah, guess I got some burn. It's okay. So yeah, preparing myself for a walking, like real walking. Just need more room, not like this, more room to walk. Okay, let's continue this day. If you like this video, like nature, positivity, healthy lifestyle, subscribe to my channel, put like, leave some comments. If you like to look at some crazy guy walking topless in the forest, barefoot, also like, subscribe, leave some comments, I would appreciate it. Well, we're going closer to the lake. Let's take sun bath, suntan, vitamin D, vitamin of happiness. Couldn't resist. I decided to do it one more time, one more swimming. The water is calling. It is cold. It is cold, and wow. Whew. But since I'm here already, so it's gonna be easier after. Now it feels a little warmer than the first time, but still, breathing, concentration in the breath. And now that's not so bad actually, now that's even very good. And finally, little suntan. Sun bath. Well, it's time to leave. It was a beautiful day, and it is still a beautiful day. Beautiful nature, and we're gonna come back definitely. And for now, try to be positive, be the light, spread the light. And when you feel demotivated, depressed, just concentrate on the good emotions which you have inside here, inside your heart. Concentrate on them, remember about them, and let the emotions support you in hard moments. Okay, bye now. And I was about to leave and remember that I still have a grape. That's my dinner. So I decided to stay and enjoy this place a little longer. Enjoying being here. Yeah, so I already had half a chocolate, little bit of cheese before at lunch, and this is my dinner. Really sweet grape. Yummy. And as you notice, I didn't have any alcohol. I'm sober for 5 years already, maybe more, not even count. And it feels great. Kind of don't need alcohol, any alcohol, to be happy here or at any other places. It's just like the feelings already here. Feelings of connection with this nature. Yeah, I used to need to take a couple bottles of beer to the nature or somewhere, and little by little I realized that that's fine to be sober and just swim, make a fire, playing guitar, playing flute, walk barefoot. Hmm. Just little things. So yeah, I guess pretty much that's it for today. And again, thank you this beautiful day. Thank you, God, universe. Hmm. Phew. Thank you, my family, for I'm alive. I'm blessed to be alive and experience all of this, to see all of this and feel it, and share with others like you. So hopefully this video will make you a little bit happier too, and will make brighter, some lightness, will bring some lightness inside your soul. That's what I want to say. Even in the dark moments, sometimes can be really dark, really hard. Like to take a war, yeah, in Ukraine. That's hard, but sometimes that's all what we have. Memories, feelings, and good emotions which can support us and our families, friends. So no one can take that from us. No one, never. And that is a blessing to enjoy little things in our life, like this grape. Mm. Right here, right now, to preserve these feelings and these emotions, which can help us in the future, in dark times. But so far, again, be the light. I wish you more sunny, bright days and peaceful days, peaceful nights, quiet nights in your life. Have a good one and take care.